Okay, so this reads the previous
It
picture
reads
that we
whatever,
took.
it reads whatever you tell. No, not where
No,
the points are.
Right.
Just the values of the cube.
The values of the cube that
the
we
X,
already
Y, Z values.
that we already took.
Yeah, we measured it.
Okay.
We put them in.
Okay.
We only have to do that once. If we know where it is, we can read it.
Exactly. Okay. Gotcha. And all right. So let's say at the beginning of the day, I'm going to be running 4 elbow extension. I have a study set up. To make that read the same thing again, so I don't have to keep recalibrating the cube. What did we just do?
That's different. What you're doing here is you're giving the file the values of the cube.
Right. That's what I'm saying. How do we do that?
We go to calibration, control, and then we say read.
And then you pick the previous one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
Now let's say, let's go ahead. Let's say you want to copy the whole thing, all right? I want elbow, and I want 3 points, and I want 4, and I want everything the same. I want the setup the same. Instead of going here, I say read from here.
Okay.
And I would read from this one, but we're not going to set the same.
Okay.
Let's see what happens if I read from itself.
It won't do it.
Didn't do it. Okay. So set it up again.
So we're doing the elbow, we're doing the pinches, 3 points, and number of controls, that's the 4. System everything else stays the same. Hit OK.
No.
Hit control.
Point IDs.
That's right. Point IDs. We said we're going to go right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist.
And the control points.
I thought we said we were doing already.
Well, you have to read them in. Remember, I wiped it out, so
right.
I'm not making life easy.
Right, and we're going to use the other one, the brown one.
Right. Good.
Okay.
How many cameras?
Just one.
Now we want to select the camera.
This is the one we're using right here, because we named it.
And we have 2. One is calibration, and one is we want the actual video first. That's good. Okay.
Didn't come up here.
No, nothing.
Doesn't have to. Okay.
Good. Now, what do we do before we digitize the thing? What's the first step?
Before we digitize it, I mean, we already named it. We have to pick our central point here.
We have to control things. We have to do the control points.
Right. So control.
You want to digitize. You go back to control. And you have to open the video. And it's one video. One ABI. And where's the control? There's 2 files.
Right, so it's elbow, so this was the control here.
Right. Say OK.
So we'll use the first image.
Okay. All right. And then look down here, it tells you what to do.
The fixed point.
Now this you'll have written down someplace. We already decided that that's our first point there.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then it tells me to go to control 1. We said we'll just go fast here. So complete.
Tell control that you're finished with control. Okay.
And then let's see.
Right. Before you do that, always go to automatic global options and check your options. Okay. In this case, we already know auto advance is good, so we'll leave it on. I took the locate dialog out to make it faster for you.
Okay.
Weighted average you always leave on, and because it's 2D, you always leave on confirm missing point.
Okay.
That's good.
If it was 3D, you would
If you have more than 2 cameras, you have 3 cameras.
Right.
We only need 2 points out of the 3.
Right.
So you can say, take that off. So if it finds 2 points, it goes on to the next one. It doesn't need all 3.
Okay. So, but I guess my question is, why not just leave it off anyways?
Because if it missed a point, you'd have to find it by hand. And if you say, don't bother confirming it, and you miss a point, then your data's not going to be accurate. We only have 1 camera.
If you only have 1 camera, and now you're missing a point, so why bother looking for another angle? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, because it's not there.
Okay, gotcha.
But it's going to stop you and ask you to locate that point
Then you're
manually.
going to go crazy. Okay. All right. So again, we got to go to the fixed point
Right.
here,
You can do it manually first,
or go to
or you
green
can go
options.
to the green, and that starts the whole automatic digitizing process. Okay, so now go ahead and do what it says.
Fixed point. Shoulder.
The image is nice and clear, getting huh? Nice cameras.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Also the lights are fantastic.
Let me show you something. You don't even have to be in the center. Go off to the side a little bit. Just get in the white.
It will find the center.
That's right. The automatic.
It's using what's called the
Was
centroid.
that good?
Yeah.
I thought it was good. I was like, wow, my aim's on.
It's using what's called the centroid method. And what it do, it take all the pixels by the amount of light on it, and then it calculate, average them, and find the center.
All right,
All right,
so
we're gonna
advance it to the first frame, and you're off and running.
It's unbelievable. This computer is so fast. Usually it's going ping, 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 and here it's going non-stop.
Probably turn the volume on and down.
That's okay.
I like it. Makes it makes it very
Good. All right, let's see if it does it. If it doesn't filter, then we have to figure out why it's going.
No, it does filter.